welcome back to Core 4 Adventures. If you're new here, I'm Laura.
And I'm Carol.
And we have some exciting news.
Just today, we finally hit 5,000 subscribers.
Now, we have been a YouTube channel for about 3 years. Our first video launched on June 4th of 2023. And when Carol and I launched our little channel, we thought 5,000 subscribers was a pipe dream.
Yeah, but we are so glad that you are here. If you are one of our subscribers, we are so grateful for you for supporting our channel. And if you're not a subscriber, we'd like to invite you to join us. We post content every single Sunday right here on Core 4 Adventures.
So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn that notification bell on and come along for the ride. We love to take you on all of our adventures.
We've got something really special for you today. This is a midweek video because we have got a new partnership with Level 8. Well, it's not even really a new partnership, is it?
It's not. I have had a set of luggage from Level 8 for the last 2 years, and I will tell you right now, it has been my favorite luggage I've ever had. So when Level 8 reached out to us just recently and said, hey, do you want to upgrade to one of our other designs? I jumped on it.
And what did they upgrade us to, Laura?
So we are now in their Voyageur Collection, and Carol's going to grab the carry-on right now. Look at how pretty this is. Everybody, if you've been here for long, you know this is one of our absolute favorite colors.
This is the 20-inch carry-on in the Voyageur Collection from Level 8, and it has got some amazing features just like their other bags that we're used to. But first of all, like Laura said, look how pretty this is. It's a two-tone Celadon color. It comes in different colors, but this one just jumped out at us.
It really spoke to us, and when they said, do you want some bags in this design, I knew exactly what color I wanted.
So some of the things about this bag that are consistent with what we have known from the past is the wheels, right, Laura?
Oh my gosh, I have to tell you guys some stories. So I've had their Luminous textured bags in the navy color for the last 2 years, and on at least 3 occasions in airports when I have let go of those bags, these wheels work so well that they rolled away with themselves. They have hit people in the line for the TSA, and I've had to apologize. I've had to catch them from rolling down a hill. They are the best wheels that I have ever seen on any luggage in my life.
They are very smooth and very reliable, and it makes traveling so much easier. Laura has taken her previous bags all over the world. She's had them in Munich, Germany, in Paris, in London. We've taken them to Mexico and Alaska, and we're excited to put some miles on these new ones as well.
Right, we do have some upcoming trips, including a cruise coming up at the end of September, and you know I am going to put them to the test. When it came to my textured Luminous bags, I absolutely loved them, but I had one small complaint, and it came down to the handle. If I overpacked the bag, the handle would be very difficult to raise up and down.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that this bag is going to correct that problem because this handle is super wide.
So let's turn this around and show you what she's talking about. So this handle has been specifically designed to be wide and to go to either side of the bag. That means that on the inside, it's on the exterior side of the bag. So if you're putting a bunch of things on top of it, it's not going to get stuck like when we overpack.
I think so. So most bags, the interior efficiency is only about 85%, and this bag touts 98% efficiency on the inside, which I think will hold more stuff and help these handles not get stuck.
The other thing about this handle, why it's wide, that is so really wonderful, is it gives you extra stability when you're pulling it through the airport, you're putting it on, you know, any place that you're going, on a cruise ship, up the gangplank like we often do. It's going to make it easier for you to carry this through wherever you're going on your travels.
And be far more stable too. I'm really excited about that. And look how chunky it is at the top. Can you see that? Look at how thick that is. A normal luggage handle is not that big, so I'm really excited for that.
Yeah, other things about this bag that really stand out to me is it's got a handle on the side here and one at the top. That's going to make it easy for you to lift it up to put it into like the overhead compartment of an airplane. And it also has a TSA lock here so that you can secure your luggage, and you program your own code into there, and then when you're ready to take it, it just unlocks and you can get that zipper. And speaking of the zipper, Laura.
Oh, these zippers have held up so well on my Luminous textured bags. I can only imagine that these are going to be just as good. They have great zippers, and let me tell you, I am serious that I have put it to the test, to the point where I was leaning on the bag to even get it zipped, and the zipper never gave way.
So let's open this one up and look at the inside.
So the inside starts with these two compartments, and on this compartment there's a mesh to keep everything tight and in place, but on this compartment half is a pocket with mesh and half is a pocket that's waterproof. So if you have some last minute items that are damp, you can put them right in there and they won't get your whole suitcase wet.
Think about a damp swimsuit, a damp towel, any of that stuff you can put right in there.
That's one of the things that I've noticed about Level 8. They really think of all those small little details, and I really like that about them.
And then this is what we were talking about with the handle. Instead of being down the center of this compartment, they're over to the edges, which gives you more room to pack with your packing cubes or whatever you're putting in here, because again, they're in the widest part of the suitcase itself, and I think that that is just an ingenious design, and I've never seen it anywhere else.
Right? I have never seen luggage that looks quite like this, so I am super excited to give this a try.
And so this is again the 20-inch carry-on, but this isn't the only one that we have, is it, Laura?
It's not. So this Voyageur was a set, and they have 3 different sizes of the larger suitcase, but I did get the smallest one because it's still enormous in my opinion. And I've got it right here underneath. I don't have it up here because it may block us just a little bit. It's that big.
Oh my goodness.
This is the 26-inch checked bag. Now they have a 28-inch and a 30-inch. So if you're going on some big trips, there is definitely one for you. You can see that that Celadon color is carried through both, and it has a handle here as well as here. Does it have a handle on your side?
It has a handle on this side as well, and the TSA lock is on this side. And it has that same wide handle that extends up for you to pull your bag, and again, the same great wheels that you know to expect from Level 8. So let's see the inside of this one, and let's actually see how much we can fit in here.
Oh, I love that. Here we are. Let's open this thing up. We have the same kind of design on the inside with the 2 different compartments. This one has the mesh for breathability, and this one has the mesh pocket at the top and the waterproof section at the bottom, and this one has a tightening strap to make everything fit better.
This is really deep in this 26-inch bag. I mean,
Right?
It's going to fit so much stuff, and I just happen to have some items in a packing cube right here. I've got 2 large packing cubes right here.
I'm not sure we packed enough stuff to put in here. This is so
we
large.
did either.
So I had the 24-inch in their Luminous textured collection, and it fit a lot. But sometimes when we went on our European trips and our longer trips, I felt like the 2 pieces just were barely enough for me. So I decided to upgrade to this 26-inch, and boy, am I glad I did already.
Here's 4 smaller packing cubes, and oh my gosh, you're gonna need one side. We could probably share this bag.
I'm not sharing my bag with you because I can bring home more souvenirs now. But yeah, all of this fit in the one side of this bag.
I can't believe it. That is 6 full packing cubes, 2 large, 4 medium in just one side of this 26-inch bag.
And there's more room. If
That's
you had shoes
incredible.
and stuff to put on the side here, you absolutely have room. And remember, this is the side that has the handle.
Yeah,
It
that's a
has
really good point.
so much room.
Go ahead and zip that
So
up.
let's zip this up.
Thought we were going to do this great demonstration. Well, the demonstration is we need more stuff.
Right? It is so much bigger. Now this side is a little thinner, but this definitely fits in there nicely. So it's at least this deep. And again, we don't have enough stuff for the bag, but it zips up nicely too.
I think that you could probably do, like on a longer trip, we are classic overpackers. You know that about us. We try really hard not to be overpackers. We do end up wearing everything that we do pack, so I don't feel guilty about it. But we're not like the backpackers. Like we're not carry-on only people, if you will. But this is a ton of room for souvenirs or shoes, other toiletries. You could fit so much in this bag, and that doesn't even touch the 20-inch carry-on.
I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to get out and go and give this a real world test.
Now, if you were looking for a bag, who is this perfect for?
I think this bag is perfect for anyone. Perfect for people who do lots of travel, but also perfect for families, perfect for people who are going to go on long trips. I really think that you could fit a couple weeks in here and probably a full week in there. So you could go on a 3-week trip and not have to wash any clothes and have plenty of room.
Another thing I would say is that this bag is perfect for those who may need a little bit more assistance because one, this handle is going to give it more stability when you're rolling it through the airport or the cruise port. The wheels roll really easily. So you may be like, okay, I need a little bit of extra help. This bag is going to give you a boost. It's going to be easier to use than that traditional luggage because of these neat features that it's got.
So the one thing I was concerned about with this bag was the width of the strap and the fact that I like to put my personal item on top of my carry-on when I'm running through the airport. This is my favorite personal item, so I've got it filled with stuff so that we can try this. And they make these luggage straps that I got that's going to solve the problem. Because when you look at this, this is not quite long enough to go across this wide handle, but this solves that problem.
So this luggage strap right here you got on Amazon. We're going to drop a link in the description box below. It fits right on the handle.
She's going to put it down. I'm going to take my bag and put it sideways on top of it so it gives it a little more stability. She'll pull that back this way and this up that way. They snap together and everything's secure and I can still carry it through the airport like this.
So that luggage strap is just the perfect solution to be able to have the benefit of the wide handle and still be able to put your personal item bag on it for easy transport in the airport or again, the cruise port.
Right? I couldn't be without putting this on top of this. It makes it so much easier to roll through places. And this was an easy solution so I can still have that wide, stable handle. I am so excited about this. So this was something that we need to say thank you to Level 8 for. They did gift us these bags, but this is our honest opinion of them. They have been my favorite luggage that I've ever had.
And if you want to pick yourself up a new one of these Level 8 Voyager, the 20-inch or the 26-inch, or check out any of the other sizes, we're going to have a code for you to use at checkout that is going to save you some money. So make sure you check out with our code, and it really helps our channel out as well.
Don't forget to click that affiliate link in the description box because that gives us credit for you purchasing it and you'll still get that discount.
And these are just, again, my initial reaction is just how beautiful these are. I love to have everything match and I love to have everything look aesthetically beautiful. Look how beautiful it is with her carry-on bag, with her personal item.
I am ready to put these to the test and I will let you know how they hold up.
So thanks so much for watching today. Get yourself a Level 8 bag if it's something that you're looking for because these are really good quality pieces of luggage. We want to thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you for getting us to 5,000 subscribers.
Yay!
That's so exciting. And again, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will catch you next time on 4 Adventures.
Bye!